Good day to you all. My name is Mr. Rufai. So, I'll be taking mathematics, and our topic for today is going to be multiplication of whole numbers. So now, look at this. 1. When multiplying any number, whether large or small, by 0, the answer is 0. Then, take a look at this example here. When you have 2 multiplied by 0, it gives you 0. Then 89 multiplied by 0 gives you 0. 125 multiplied by 0 still gives you 0. So now, when multiplying any number, whether large or small, by 1, the answer is the number. So look at this example here now. That is, what they are trying to tell you is, when you multiply 8 to 1, you still have 8. Then, when you multiply 27 to 1, you still have 27. Then, 165 multiplied by 1 still give you that same number. Then, if you are multiplying 2 or more numbers which end with 0 by another number which ends, multiply the digit and then write the number of zeros to the right of the answer obtained. So let's take a look at this. So example here, we have 670 multiplied by 10. So now, what they are trying to tell you here is what you are going to use to solve this. So step 1 here, you bring this 67 multiplied by 1, it gives you 67. Then you add 2 zeros to the right of 67. That is, these 2 zeros here, so you are going to add it to the right of this 67 here, which we therefore 70 by 10 gives you, you put your 67 here, then you are asked to add 2 zeros to the right. So 1, 2. So that will be our final answer. That is 670 multiplied by 10 gives you 6,700. So that is just the simple method for it. So let's take a look at the second problem here. 2040 multiplied by 6. So you have method. So step 1, you now bring this 2 multiplied by this 6. So now let's quickly look at this. 2, 0, 4, 6. 6 multiplied by 24, 4, carry 2. 6 times 0 gives you 0. So you put the other 2, which gives you what? 2. Then 6 times 2 gives you 12. That is 204 multiplied by 6 gives you 1,220. 204 like this is equal to 1224. So now let's look at the next step. Step 2 here. You are going to add 2 zeros again. 2 zeros to the right of this. To the right of this. To the right of to the right of 204. To the right of 1, 2, 2, 4. So now from there, you now say therefore 2040 multiplied by 60 equals, so we are going to add 2 zeros to this, which is 1, 2, 2, 4, 0, 0. So that is for that. Then let's look at the third one here. We have 289. Step 1. So we are going to bring this 289 multiplied by 1. So give 2, 8, 9. So now that is for step 1. Then step 2. Step 2, you add, count all the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 5 zeros to the right of 2, 8, 9. So now from this, you now said, therefore, 28900 multiplied by 1000 is equal to, you bring this here, 289. So you are going to count the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is our final answer for that. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, so you also put the answer in this box, which is 1, 2, 2, 4, 0, 0. So we've come to the end of the class. Thank you for your time.